E waka mānawa e waka nui ia HINERANGI RAUMATI tuua, me ana mai mo te kaporai ana o parinini I ki wai tōtara, utanu mai mo te Pūrongo nei. Ka nini I ngā mii kia HINERANGI.
HINERANGI's nature and style is very warm and very calm within a controlled, I suppose, context, you could say. Some people might use the terminology of, an iron fist and a velvet glove, but I view HINERANGI as someone that understands people, genuinely cares, and genuinely is engaged with, aware of, and believes in the kaupapa.
HINERANGI really cares about people. Most people think of her as being an accountant, right, and worrying about the numbers. But for her, my experience of HINERANGI is that the numbers really is just that's an enabler for helping people. And she really cares about people. And she has always been clear that Paraninihi ki wai tōtara is about developing people. And I think if I come back to the fact that she gave me a chance to come back and be the leader of Paraninihi ki wai tōtara, I've been the beneficiary of that wisdom, and so I've taken that lesson and I try to hand that on too. So for me, it's really her care for people that stands out the most.
Ko te aroa mo te tangata me tōna iwi wānui, tēte I uara nui ka tau ki aia.
In all of the 15 years that I have been part of the PKW whānau, I have had my tupuna in my mind. I have thought about what their vision was when they first established the incorporation and their hopes and their dreams. And I've thought about all the things that we've learned along the way, both the highs and the lows, and really tried to stay true to their vision.
Kua māro katoa tō nāro ki te wanake I ngā mai, e pua wai ai te kaupapa.
HINERANGI taught me that actually it's more than just that. It's more than a transactional view. It's about being aware of people, caring for people, and then ensuring that the abilities and capabilities that you bring are appropriate.
Ko te tiaki te tuakiri o te tangata, te I akoranga nui, kua wāngai a HINERANGI kia Warwick.
Working with HINERANGI has been a highlight of my professional career. I have the utmost respect for my whanaunga, and I am I'm always in awe of the mahi that she does. I think in terms of some of the highlights for me about working with HINERANGI, from a management perspective, when I look back at her, I see her bravery and courage.
Ko ngā tai o au kaa o au maia, e koro wai ana ia HINERANGI.
One of the first highlights was actually being elected. I'm a Taranaki Māori girl who grew up in the Waikato. And so being able to participate in Taranaki life in the way that I have with PKW has been a real gift.
Nā te mauri o te kaporei ana I iki I tēnei uri o Taranaki ki te tii o Angitu.
So I really am just so grateful that they took a chance on me, and I just would really like to take the opportunity to thank them for their support over the last 15 years. I think going forward, my words to them would be, set your expectations high, continue to drive the incorporation in terms of what you want. Think about the whole picture, from the economic to the social, to the people, to the cultural, to the environmental aspects of everything that we do. It all needs to be seen as a body of work. No one thing stands on its own. And so, so think about those aspects when you are asking for change or you are advocating for something to be done.
E pari ana ngā au a Taranaki, ka nini I ona mii, kia koe e HINERANGI e. Aroha Broughton Pue te reo o te uru.